Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at reflection. Now this question is asking us to find the line of reflection, which is being used to reflect the unshaded object onto the shaded. So we're going from here to here. Now the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to look at the similar points, right? So what is this point in the new object? Well, it's here. What's this point? Well, it's here. And finally, let's use a different color. Let's go with black. This point, well, that shoots over there. Now to find the line of reflection, I'm going to find the midpoint between any of these two values. So let's go for this one here. So I'm moving from 2 to -2. So that's a distance of 4. 4 divided by 2. Well, that tells me where my midpoint is. It's there, where x equals, where y equals 0. Now, if I wanted to be thorough, I would check all of them. And in fact, I'm just going to check a second one to see if this works. So let's look at this larger value here. So we're going from here to here. And we're going to assume it stops at 0, but this one's at 6, and this one's at -6. All right, so 6, to find a midpoint, we minus, and then we divide by 2. So that becomes, we add, so that goes 6 plus -6 is 0, divided by 2. Which gives us 0. So what's the line of reflection? The line of reflection is y equal to 0. In this next question, I'm asked how to reflect the unshaded object, right, that's this one down here, onto the shaded image. All right, so I need a couple of reflections to do this. And the way I'm going to go about it is using symmetry, is asking, well, what if I go through this one? What does that look like? And what I want to keep in mind is that this needs to end up here, this needs to end up there, and this one's just going to stay in the middle. We're just sort of rotating around that. We're reflecting around that. Let's be precise. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I'm looking for perpendicular lines of reflection, right? So the lines that cut through the space in the middle. And I can see, right, if I'm looking at this one here, I have at a right angle that one there. So I've got 4. Now if I do 4, what does that mean? Well, that means that this point shoots over to there, this point shoots over to there. So I have this weird little triangle. Oh, let's make it a little bit prettier. That looks like this. Okay, so now the last thing, right, I've moved the yellow point to the other yellow point. Now I need to get the blue point up to the top. Well, what do? Well, you can already see it as well, right? I need to reflect across here, which is that one there, 3. So if I reflect through 4, then 3, I will have satisfied this question.